What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode on the Honda Civic Mugen SI series. It's been a long time. It's been about 3 to 4 months. It's been very busy actually, so I had to take some time off, and that's because there's a lot of exciting things to come, which I will show you guys in the future videos. But in the last video we did an oil change on the car and we installed the Mugen oil cap. In today's video we will be installing the last of the Mugen pieces that I got from Japan, which is a Mugen Radiator Cap. So let's go ahead, pop the hood, I'll throw this in, and I'll talk to you guys about what's to come. Before we get into installing this, I'm just going to show you guys what I got here. It's the Mugen Radiator Cap. You're going to want your car to be cold. You never want to open the radiator when the car is hot. That's because all the pressure and the antifreeze will splash all over you. But I know this is going to be a pretty short video, so I'll talk to you guys a little bit about what's been going on, some future videos I have in mind, and what's going to happen to the channel. I think there's been a lot of exciting things that's happened in the last 4 to 5 months. Some of those being I actually bought a place, and I'm super excited to show you guys the place that I bought. Another video I have to make is I'll show you guys some hints over here. I got a little dent here, I got a dent here, and I got a dent here, and there's a few more that's going to be in a future video. And then I bought a little separate toy, which is going to be pretty cool. But those are a little few things to come in the future. Let's get to installing this thing. So my car, it's been off, I just moved it out here. But whenever you open the antifreeze system, you always want a car that's cold to the touch. Opening these are actually very risky. As you can see, I already some of that splashing up because it is hot. So all we gotta do is turn that counterclockwise, opens the radiator system up. I'm gonna take this out and we'll put it in. All right, just for comparison's sake on what it looks like, so I got the Mugen one at the bottom and I got the OEM one right here. You can see it just says never open when hot. Same thing over here. I'm not sure what this numbers mean, 1.1, 1.3, so hopefully we don't have any issues installing this, but here we go. Just take the new cap, line it up with the grooves, push down and turn clockwise, and there we go. That looks so much better, and it kind of cleans up the engine bit, you know. It doesn't say Mugen anywhere on it. It just has the Japanese graphic of the Mugen sign. It's right there. But yeah, it looks 100 times better. Let me do some research on what this 1.3 and this 1.1 means, because I don't want this to explode on me while I'm driving. Alright, so I did a little research, and basically a 1.3 allows the system to have more pressure, and it's actually better for hotter environments where you have like a high revving engine or like a high boosted engine. It's actually better than the 1.1. So this is technically an upgrade, and basically I think what I was reading was it allows for more expansion, so coolant doesn't flow into the reservoir as much and stays over here within the radiator, which allows for better cooling. So quick little upgrade, small things that you learn. I would have never thought a radiator cap makes any difference to the performance of a car, but I guess it does. So not only does it look good, it functions better, and then it just flows in better. Like I got the Mugen Radiator Cap, the Mugen Oil Cap, the Mugen Shift Knob. I got some of these little old Mugen reservoir covers are a little dirty, so I might need to wash them. But yeah, that's pretty much everything. And that is it, guys. Super easy install on the Mugen Radiator Cap. And not only is it useful for form, but it's also useful for function. I hope you guys like this. I know it's been a while and it was a really short video, but make sure you're liking, subscribing, and following. There's going to be a lot of epic content this year, which I'm really excited to share with you guys. So that's it. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.